Now let's do the sounds of English. Let's do short vowel E. This is an eh sound. Eh, eh. Okay, in the book you can see eh, eh, 7. I get up at 7. So get up, get, get. 7, 7. That's se, 7. And 10. I go to bed at 10. So 10. N, 10. And bed, bed. Very good. Okay, what time do you get up? I get up at 7. Can you hear the sound? Very good. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10. Bed, 10. Also, exercise, exercise. What time do you exercise? I exercise at 5. This is a EA, but just to tell you, this is also an sound. What time do you have breakfast? Breakfast, breakfast. I have breakfast at 7:30. 7. Very good.